Hey there, what's up? Welcome to Icris Studio, and today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can access DeepSeek and Llama model for absolutely free. It means you don't have to pay a single penny to use those models. So this is going to be a lot of interesting, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. So first head over to gyrus.virtual.app. So it's a platform that allows you to interact with different type of models. So what you need to do is just click on sign up, then you will be redirected towards the dashboard page after completing all the authentication. So once you are here, just click on setting icon right over here, and then you will see a bunch of tabs right over here. So if you want your assistant to have some personalities, like if you want your assistant to uh, act like a Gen Z, or if you want your assistant to act like a girlfriend, then you can choose personalities over here. The most demanded is uncensored one, which can speak anything, like including any swear word. So let me just keep the uncensored one, and just click on AI models. Then you will see a bunch of AI models out there. So just click on any DeepSeek model. We have two DeepSeek model, right? Free, and just click on any DeepSeek model or click on any Llama model. Just click on select and then create a new chat, and then there you go. Now you can use DeepSeek for absolutely free. There's no limit. You can use as much as you want. So let me just write hi and hit the enter. Then the DeepSeek will respond to you. There we go. We got a response from DeepSeek. That's how you can use DeepSeek and many other models for absolutely free. But what if you want to integrate this in your project? Suppose you have a project and then you want to integrate it in it through API key. How can you do that? So don't worry, I got you. So to do that, just click on setting and then click on API key tab right over here. So just click on create new API key and name your API key. So let me name test and click on create API key. Once you are done, just copy the API key because it is visible for only one time. So just paste it somewhere and then you are good to go. Just click on analytics. Then you can see the API key analytics. So you can send 50 requests per day. Yeah, I know it's too less, but according to your response, like if I got a great response on this video, then I'm going to increase that according to the demand. Else I'll leave it at 50. Okay. So make sure you comment down below and let me know if you want, if whether should I increase this or whether the 50 is fine. Okay. So now how to use this API? To use this API key, first of all, head over to Gyrus again, and then just click on Docs, and then click on API. So here you can see how our API work. Okay, so let me just create a new Python file to show you a quick demonstration of how our API work. So let me write test.py. Okay, so inside this, let me go and you can see what are the models available for this API. So we have Llama 70B8192, DeepSeek, and only Llama. Okay, so we have this model only, and you can send 50 limits per day. Okay, so you can see the API is online right now. So what you need to do is here's a step-by-step detail, like how can you create an API key and hit the API key. So let me just scroll down and you can see what are the parameter that it takes and what type of like what will be the response format, like that. So let me just go towards the code directly and copy this code and paste it right over here, and let me replace the API key with my own API key. All right, so now you can see the model is DeepSeek. So let me just run and let's see what we got, and let me open the analytics as well side by side. Okay, there we go. We got a total request of one, and we also got the response right over here. So let me see the response. And there we go. We got a response from DeepSeek because like you can see it is thinking and it is telling the answer, the capital of France is Paris. And you can see the API request as well in the website. You can see detailed analysis as well in the table form or in an overview. Okay, and that's it. The best part is it actually remembers the conversation as well. So let me show you. So here, let me give it an instruction like you or your name is John 123. Okay. So now if I ask what's your name, then it will what's your name, then it will respond my name is John 123 like that. So let me run this again. and you will see the total request will be 2, and my name is Joan123. There we go. Now it's working absolutely fine. So right now you can access only this 4 model, but we are working to implement more models so that you can use them for free. And what do you think about the API rate limit? Let me know in the comment section if you want me to increase it or leave it as 50. And that's it. That's how we can access DeepSeek and Llama for free. And let me know what you think about the API limit. And yeah, that's it. And if you want to support me or support my work, then you can just click on this coffee icon right over here and you can support it if you want. Okay, I'm not forcing you. It's completely upon you. If you want to support, then you can support it from here. And yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll catch you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.